Dodge Charger.
Yeah, 2013.
Mr. Elmer is here from Philippines. There is the complaint is the AC recirculation is blinking and unable to press to recirculate the air. So he brought me a part, and this is the port code. Humidity sensor module. Humidity, and this is the one. It is located here. So I'm going to install that. Now the humidity sensor already fixed. That is new one now. Here. And Mr. Elmer is here.
Thank you. Thank you, Sir Ed.
Now I will check the trouble codes. I will start the engine before the recirculation button is blinking. Start. I will erase first the code. Ano muna, patayin ko lang. Switch on. Yes. I will read the poll codes. No poll codes. Start. AC on. Circulation. The blinking is no longer exists. Before that, the poll code is I will show you here. I saved the poll code. That is humidity sensor module active. Now no poll codes. All right.
Thank you. Satisfied.
Okay.
Sunod, padala ko na sana
Poll codes are clear. Okay, Mr. Elmer. Okay, Mr. Elmer, say anything about the repair.
fully satisfied. Thank you, Sir Ed.
Okay, thank you.